both traffic as well as Goa police. They are useless. If they cannot do it, let them go home. We will do it. We'll bring our own security services and do it. Because they are come to a complete fault. We have seen, we are giving them the best freedom. They only know to put pressure on us. Nothing else they are doing. I want to tell you this. I'm sorry and disappointed to tell you this, but it has failed completely. It has failed completely. Right from, I don't know about Kalangut, from Shimer, Shinkeri, Nerul Bridge. I am making calls, but nobody is willing to attend. What is that telling me? It is a weekend. We are sitting. We cannot come. Traffic jam. So what? Sarpanch is going to go and clear the traffic jam? I asked him that day. He only told me on the phone, there is a traffic jam, we cannot come. So what we'll do? Myself and Fermin cleared the traffic jam. And that boy, where is it? Oh boy. I'm so Parlekar. We cleared the traffic.